Hello dear students, today we will discuss exercise number 18.3. I hope you all are doing well. Here is actually the question, that is using the graph that you drew in exercise 18.2. That means he says the graph you draw in 18.3, question number 1. We will take the question number 1 of 18.2. That is x square minus x minus 6. This is the question. And what is the range of x, that is minus 4 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 4. So we will first draw the graph of this equation. Then by using this graph, we will find the solutions of equation which are in the 18.3 exercise. So first of all, we will draw the graph table. Just see how to draw, how to find the values by using this range, that is minus 4 is less than or equal to x and x is less than or equal to 4. First of all, we will say here, let y equal to this equation, the given equation, that is x square minus x minus 6. How many points are in between minus 4 and 4 plus 4? That is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, then minus 1, then we will take 0, then there is 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are actually the points. How to find the value of y? That is y equal to, remember, at x equal to minus 4. When we put the value of x as minus 4 in this equation, this is the equation. First equation, this will give the value of y, minus 4 square minus minus 4 minus 6. How much is this? This is equal to 16 plus 4 minus 6. This is 20 minus 6. I think it is 14. So the first value is 14. Y value at x equal to minus 4. Now we will take at x equal to minus 3. What is the value of y? Y equal to, same equation, we will put the value of x, that is minus 3 square minus minus 3 and minus 6. That is 3 is 9, because minus is in square, that will become plus. This is plus 3 and this will minus 6. So it becomes 9 minus 3, that is 6. This value is 6, the y value. Now we will take at x equal to minus 2. What is the value of y? Again you put the same value here in the same equation, that is minus 2 square minus minus 2 minus 6. This will give 2 2's 4 plus 2 and minus 6. I think this is 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. So the value is 0. Now at x equal to minus 1. Because after minus 2 there is minus 1 value, y equal to, again put the value x equal to minus 1 in the same equation, minus minus 1 minus 6. This is 1 plus 1 minus 6. I think this is 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. So the value is minus 4. Now we will take at x equal to 0. When we put value that is equal to 0, so it becomes minus, this is first value, that is 0 square minus 0 minus 6. I think it is minus 6. So this value is minus 6. Now we take the value of x equal to plus 1. That is y equal to 1 square minus 1 minus 6. This is 1 minus 1 minus 6. This is again minus 6. So we will take here minus 6. Now again we take at x equal to 2. All the values you will put. Y equal to 2 square minus 2 minus 6. This is 4 minus 2 minus 6. This is 4 minus 8. That is minus 4. So the value is minus 4. Again, you take the next value. At x equal to 3. You will put in the same equation 3 square minus 3 minus 6. This is 9 minus 3 minus 6. I think this is minus 9 minus 9, that is 0. So the value is 0. This value is 0. Now we take x equal to 4. In the same equation you will put y equal to 4 square minus 4 minus 6. This is 4 4 16 minus 4 minus 6. This is 16 minus 10, that is 6. I think the value is 6. So all the values are given now. Now we complete the graph table. This is graph table. Now please understand how to draw the graph of this table. This is very important. Now dear students, we will start to draw this graph by using this graph table. This is minus 4. Where is actually minus 4? I will check where is minus 4. Just see. I will take to the negative axis also. This is minus 1, 2, minus 3, minus 4. First value is minus 4 and 14. Also I will take negative values here. I will check how many values, minus 6. So I will take up to 6. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now everything is clear in front of you. First value is minus 4 and 14. This is minus 4. This value is minus 4. This value is minus 4. And now second value is 14. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this one value is 14. I will take this value. This is the value. Now second value is minus 3 and 6. This is 1, 2 and 3. Minus 3. This value is minus 3. And 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This value I will take. These are the values. That means first value is this one. Next value is this one. And another value is -2 and 0. This is 1 and 2. This is -2 and 0. This one value is 2 and 0. This one. So I will circle it by red color. With red color, this one. This is -2 and 0. -1 and 4. This one is -1 and here is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly, this is -1, 2, 3 and 4. So this value is here. I will write this value and I will color it with the red. Okay, next value is 0 and -6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Zero and -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the value. So I will color it by, this is red color. Before this there was -1 and 4. Okay, next one value is 1 and -6. This is 1 and this is -6. 1 is this value and there is -6. Already this value is here. So I will color it again. This one value. Now there is 2 and -4. This is 1, 2 and -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the value. So I will color it. And this is circled by red color. Okay, now 3 and 0. This is 1, 2 and 3 and 0. That means this is the value. So I will color it by red. Okay. Next one is 4 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I think this is this value. This one, that is 4 and 6. So I will color it. These are the values. Now we will join these values, these points, just to draw a graphical line. Graphical curve. It is not a line, it is a curve. Just to join these points. These points. This is just as a curve of this equation. Why it is curve? Because you know this is a quadratic equation. This is a graph. Now the point is exercise 18.3. This is actual what we will discuss today. First question I will complete and other questions you can easily solve. First question. This is the graph of first question of exercise 18.2. We have completed this graph. But now the point is there is another question, x square minus x minus 4 equal to 0. You will use this graph to find the solutions of this equation. That is actually the question. I repeat again. This is the graph of exercise 18.2, question number 1. By using this graph, find the solutions of the equation. Solutions of the equation. Just see. I will show you. There is a question x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. This is the question whose graph is actually we have to draw first. But there is one important point, that is there is minus 4, there is minus 6. Now what I will do to make this equation, remember this equation x square minus x minus 4 equal to 0, this will become equivalent to this. Something we are adding here, something we are subtracting here, so that it becomes this equation. It looks like this equation. The extra term gives us the solution. Just see. You know that x square minus x minus 4 is actually the equation whose solution we have to find. This is equal to 0. How this minus 4 becomes minus 6? This will simply minus 2 here subtract, and on the right side we again subtract minus 2. By using this subtraction, there is no change in the given equation. So it becomes x square minus x minus 6. I think this is the same equation now that is in the exercise 18.2 question number first. These two equations are now same. If the graph of this x square minus x minus 6, can we say that this equation is actually equal to y? We let it. First we have to consider it that this equation is actually equal to y equal to x square minus x minus 6. So can we say that y is equal to minus 2? Yes. This is the important point. Now you know that y is actually equal to minus 2. Why is minus 2? Tell me in the graph, why is minus 2? Can we say that this is minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, this is minus 2? If this is minus 2, you must have to draw the line on this point, straight line, which is parallel to x-axis. This is the line which actually represents y equal to minus 2. Now please tell me, how many points it will cut the graph? At 2 points. These are the points where the graph is intersected by this line. So what I will say now? I will say that we have to draw here perpendicular on the axis, and we will find the solution of this equation. That means x is equal to, this is 1 and 2, this is exactly equal to 2.4 something, and another value is x equal to, this one is minus 1 and this is minus 1.6 or 7. Just see, these points are actually the intersected points. These are the intersected points. These are intersected points. This one and this one. This is approximately equal to 2.4 and this one is approximately equal to 1.6 or 7, but it is minus. So these are the solutions of this equation. In this way, we are using the graph of 18.2 exercise. the questions of the exercise and find the solutions of the questions in exercise 18.3. That is the important thing. I hope you understand very well, and there is nothing to do extra in these questions. Okay, thank you. God bless you.